weekend at Cabarrus Arena and Event Center. DiscoverTheDinosaurs.com.
One of the biggest misconceptions about Lyme disease is that it is a cosmetic issue only, when in fact it is a serious medical condition in many cases.
Over 80 million people suffer with spider veins and varicose veins. Do you?
People with vein disease have a genetic predisposition to develop broken valves.
Varicose vein disease occurs when weak or damaged valves.
Guy.
For over 30 years, Vein Clinics of America has been the leader in easy, effective treatment of spider and varicose veins. Call or go online to schedule your consult and see what Vein Clinics of America can do for you.
All our treatments are
How?
performed here in the office. Everything is done
Using
on an
cheat
outpatient
codes.
basis,
No.
And you're able to walk out of here after the procedure and resume to your normal activities.
How did you get that much money?
And make sure they stay
Shut up. I'm sorry, I'm
identify
fat.
any new activities to develop as
Fuck
slowly
you.
Wait, how much money did you get?
Clinics of America.
I'm sorry, I'm
Consult
fat.
right now. Vein Clinics of America.
Welcome back. We are tracking that severe weather moving into the area right now. It is affecting roads and prompting cancellations.
Yeah, look at the mess behind us. It is just a mess out there. Let's get right into the newsroom where NBC Charlotte's Rachel Brown is tracking all the information that comes in.
Rachel, what's the latest you can tell us? I heard you're getting some of the new pictures in.
We are Brookville.
Oh, yeah, don't forget to clean it up.
First, I want to tell you all about a ground stop that.
I got all the trash by the floor swept. All you gotta do is clean it.
We also just got into the.
Go
news
do that right
that
now.
Winthrop University has canceled all evening classes beginning at 5, and also Fort Mill and Clover school districts are canceling afternoon and evening classes. But I want you all to take a look at
Michael.
this video that's just into the newsroom.
Michael,
Tweeted to our chief meteorologist.
we all gonna die.
You video from Gaston College. And I want you all to look at the heavy
No.
wind
Just sooner
and
than
all of
others.
that rain that's coming down there.
No, you know who's gonna be the stupidest? 21 Savage. He's gonna get there like, ooh, yeah, I'm so savage. I can do this.
At WCNC.com. Send things back to the wall.
Rachel, thank you so much. Definitely be careful if you're heading outside.
You're fucking idiot.
It is a mess out there right now. Let's send things over to Brad Panovich tracking the severe weather that's moving through our area.
Michael, come here.
The radar again because
Michael, come here.
tell you the story. The whole line storm's just
But
moving
it's your
across
fucking
the
ear.
viewing area right now.
What
And I'm
happened?
going to go in a little bit closer and kind of we'll break this down.
Michael, come over here.
You just don't want to cuss her down?
Parts of Iredell County.
Come
The
with
storm is moving
come with the
through
hair and the thing.
Steensville area right now.
Yeah, it's your hair need to clean it up.
It is right there from.
I'm gonna wash that shit out of that sink like 4 times and it keeps coming back up to the drain.
That's because that drain don't go down
See
right.
that we've got a line of storms
Never
moving
does.
through areas right around Mecklenburg County. There's the line of storms moving through very quickly right now from Mooresville down to Huntersville, Cornelius, Davidson, that entire area
This is there will be
being
good for the rest of the
impacted
evening. I was just.
by these storms. We'll kind
But
of
that boy,
just down the line.
Justin, I'll make you a bologna sandwich, and Gus, I'll make you a peanut
No,
butter.
I don't want no banana. Peanut butter, just peanut butter. I want toast.
I was looking at hamburger helper, but they didn't use that bologna.
I want toast. I want toast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want toast. Yeah, I want toast.
Producing damaging winds probably
I want
across
4 pieces of toast, and I can eat. We can't because the pie's gonna be out.
We don't know that. I'm just worried about Bobby. He got driving this shit.
Valentine and crossing into Union County.
Is Bobby on the way home?
Weddington,
No, he's gonna go to Huntersville. He's gonna drive through this
right
shit.
over Fort Mill,
What's he gotta go to
Regent
Huntersville?
Park, Aries
For our
County,
fucking
Fargo,
class.
and east of Rock Hill.
They have to take classes. Where the work he does, he has to take classes and stuff.
Going down.
And his dad both going to it.
City, then down 521 as you get down closer to the city of Lancaster. The storm is still off to the west towards Fort Lawn, towards the Catawba River, and then it extends down into southeastern Chester County, near Great Falls. So that whole line is producing damaging winds as it goes off to the west. So if you live ahead of this, now next up is going to be Concord, Midland, Salisbury, Rockwell, Kannapolis, Monroe, Indian Trail, even Waxhaw. The main line isn't there yet. So let me put a track on this, and we'll kind of give you an indication on when it's going to be.
How long is this shit fucking
pushed
taking
off
to
the
get
east
through
here.
here?
We'll make it kind of short.
80 hours.
Concord, you got till 419, which is 2 minutes away. Wesley Chapel, 425.
Mom, it might take you a while with the weather. Wait, did he take the Toyota?
Of course he drove his car.
Norwood, Houlton, and Waynesboro as you move down into of Anson County. Damaging winds is our primary concern. What we mean by damaging
Oh
winds
shoot!
is
Be
those
praying.
50
Be praying.
miles per hour or taller or higher. kind of wind that strong is gonna knock down tree branches, and in some cases could rip off shingles, siding, it's gonna blow over lawn furniture, could take down power lines. This is the type of storm you wanna take seriously, stay indoors.
You already know who's just gonna come home saying,
Walls and windows.
what the hell, dude? What the hell? Did y'all see that shit?
Interesting thing on the radar right now, moving right over Charlotte. We'll widen out a little bit and kind of show you the threat. Here's the threat, and notice that once the system moves through, the threat diminishes pretty quickly. The back edge is
Let's
right there.
pray.
You can see
Let's all
maybe
pray.
near the high threat
Let's
down
all
there.
say the let's all say the crypt prayer.
So we're still in this threat for maybe another hour.
That's
hour
the
and a half
crypt
or so.
prayer.
The main threat
Fart
this
your
evening,
shit your
damaging winds,
pants.
but tornadoes been our secondary
I'm
threat within
savage.
this line as we've seen this spin up. Watch
We
out,
got
watch
work
your
coming
gas.
Wednesday.
The line pushes east. Here we are at 6 o'clock. Heavy rain, probably some flash flooding going on, and then it pushes east by 8 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, the system starts to move out. We start to see some drier air movement. Can't rule out a stray shower, but if you can get through the next 2 hours, we can actually breathe a sigh of relief as the system moves out of here and gets out of here. So your evening hour-by-hour forecast, those severe storms are going to be around basically between now and about 9 o'clock, and I'd really say maybe 8 o'clock. It's picking up a little bit of speed. And notice as we go into the overnight hours, the rain chances are around, but the severe weather threat will actually diminish pretty quickly the later we get into the evening. So I'm going to go back to the radar real
I'm not
quickly.
sure I got one for the secret closet.
On the track of the
I'll go
storms
back and buy it.
as they push to the east, and we'll finish up
I hope
with
y'all
some better
spend as
weather,
much money as
hopefully
Drew's
for
mom does in
tomorrow.
Victoria's
The
Secret.
bad news in all this, we
No,
actually could see
I got a
severe
Victoria's Secret
weather
credit
late
card. I
Wednesday,
just want, I don't,
which is
I
what
use
we'll
that
talk
back
about
in
once the
Motherwell.
system moves through. But again,
That's
there's
why I bought her
one of the
panties at.
storms from
I don't
Statesville
know how in the hell
to
they were
Mooresville
spending $2,000 a month
to uptown
at
Charlotte
Victoria's Secret.
to basically
Who?
South Bend, South Park, and out
Really? You don't know how?
Weddington, all the way down up.
No,
most of the
because she never
Panhandle
has
Lancaster
anything from
County
Victoria's
inundated
Secret
with
except
very
that
strong
lotion.
winds.
Oh shit,
and
man,
heavy
I'm
rain.
so
This
slow.
whole thing pushing to the east again at about 50 miles an hour. So
What's
you
wrong
know when
with that?
you're moving that quickly, you're gonna be
What's wrong
starting to
with
see 50 miles.
I don't want to die.
She's just always complaining. Like, Drew's mom, she's always complaining.
Just to
I'll
show you
never
what's
have
gonna
no
be heading
money.
our way once this
You don't never
system
have no
moves
money
out,
because you spend
we get into
$2,000 a month
tomorrow.
at Victoria's Secret.
But then, as
Like,
we
how
get
did
late
she take his
Wednesday,
money?
We've got a whole other
Oh,
system approaching that looks eerily
'cause,
similar
He
maybe
borrowed
even
some money
stronger
from her,
than the system we
and
have
he had to
today,
pay back.
and that's gonna be pushing
so
through
we got,
late Wednesday
she got his whole check.
into Thursday. So when
She
you
needs,
look
he needs to quit
at
quit
our
borrowing
severe
money.
outlook of the next 5 days, notice Wednesday, we're gonna have another threat of severe storms heading our way. So again, quick update, severe thunderstorm warnings extend from basically Statesville all the way to Columbia. These are in effect until 4:30 this evening. We are gonna continue to track these storms throughout the evening. We'll have live updates and more coverage coming up right after the break.
Y'all nasty. Y'all go back upstairs now. It's moving through. Y'all go back. I don't want to see that shit.
It's done. It's already moved through.
The heaviest shit.
Mo, why are you trying to kill Tiana and Michael?
Spring is finally here.
If they die, then where's all the weed and pot at?
Jess, you wanna know something? We're gonna make you die. We're gonna fucking put you out in the fucking outdoors and fucking leave you there and lock the doors and lock the
I don't
chain.
want to die.
Well, you're gonna die.